Hey traders, how to trade the breakouts. In this video I prepared for you a very good example of a breakout trade on gold. We will discuss the stop placement, the entry selection, the target selection, and the rules for the trade management. So this lesson will be very practical for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. I'm on a gold chart, 4-hour chart, and here first of all let's start with the price action analysis. Let's simply follow the recent impulses and let's try to get what is happening with the market right here. So first of all I see this very nice initial bullish impulse. Here we have very nice impulse leg, and here we saw very nice growth on gold. Yes, then the price reached that structure high. From that structure high we saw the retracement. With that retracement we saw a bullish movement, kind of retesting the previous structure high, and technically speaking here we have a higher high, but still it is not the higher close. So you see that kind of the market was trying to go higher but didn't really manage, and retraced again, setting the higher low. Then we saw a bullish movement, but this time the market sets the lower high and dropping lower, setting a lower low. So you can see that the market for some time was quite weird. The market was quite chaotic, and here if we pay close attention to the structure levels, I guess we can easily identify very nice horizontal structure support right here, and here we can identify a very nice structural resistance, and you can see that the price here formed a kind of the parallel channel or the range. We call that the horizontal trading range, and you can see that for quite long period of time the price was perfectly respecting the boundaries of this range. Then what happened? If we keep following the price action, then we saw one more retracement again and new higher low right here. And after that, look what happened. The price finally sets a new higher close. We see the breakout of structure, we see the violation of the resistance of this range to the upside, and with this high momentum bullish candle the breakout is confirmed right now. And the violation of that structure gives us a very nice bullish trend. Yes, here we have our initial bullish impulse, yes, the retracement, and then the second bullish impulse with the new high close. So right now our conditions for bullish trend are met, and right now it is reasonable for us to be bullish biased, yes, and for that reason we are looking for the trend following trade. Yes, we will try to catch a bullish continuation right here. In order to do that, we will look for the retest of that structure support. Yes, and from that structure support we will try to open a long trade. Hey traders, for more education, for more tips and tricks, don't forget to check my ebook. There I show you the entire thinking process that I go through when I analyze the market. There I teach you how to identify key level, how to identify the entry point, how to identify the target properly. It is a very practical, and on my website it is vasilytrader.com/ebook. You can actually look inside the book, you can see what is inside, you can see the examples of the chapters. You will definitely enjoy that. Don't forget to check it, and let's continue. Now what I did, I simply removed the impulses, so for us it is easier right now to discuss how we will actually treat this breakout of structural resistance. And first of all, let's try to get where can be our entry. And remember, by the way, that entry selection depends on your trading style. Some traders are very aggressive, and for that reason they open their position once the price breaks the structure, and they just wait for the candle close to open the trading position, and for them their entry would be right here. And some traders are conservative, yes, and such kind of traders like I do, for example, such kind of traders wait for the retest of the broken structure. But you can see that right here our broken structure is quite wide. So how to identify the exact point from where we will buy? And here I rely on a very simple rule. If I want to buy the broken structure, the broken resistance that turned into support, I simply look for the highest candle close within the zone, yes. And right here, look, here's our highest candle close. So I simply draw the horizontal line based on that, and that level gives me my entry for the trade, and I will buy the market with a buy limit from that level. Yes. Now let's discuss the stop placement. With the stop placement, it is again the speculation, because some traders are aggressive and they prefer very small and tiny stop loss. Some traders, like me again, they are very conservative and they prefer the extended stop loss but higher win rate. Let me know, by the way, in the comment section who you are. What kind of stop placement do you prefer? And let's discuss the safest option right here. Where is the safest stop loss for us? In my view, the safest stop for us lies below the high level. Yes, so let's bring back the main impulses again. Here is our price action. Yes, here is our current bullish trend. Yes, and as we know with our classic price action rules, the high level here plays a very important role, because while the price is trading above this high level, technically speaking, the market remains bullish to us. So even if the price drops lower to these levels, still we remain bullish biased. But once this high level is broken to the downside, we see that the bullish trend is violated. Yes, so to make our position safe, we need to set our stop loss below that high level. So right here, yes, couple of pips below will be our stop loss. Yes, so we already found our entry point. We identified the entry level, yes, applying the objective rules. We identified the stop loss, applying the objective rules. Now let's identify the target. For targets, I prefer to rely on structure, analyzing the historical perspective, analyzing the recent price action. I'm trying to identify strong key levels. And here, let's simply look left at structure and identify the recent levels that the price respected. Here you can see that we have this first very nice level, yes, and the price just recently nicely bounced from this structure. Then right here we have another level. Again, it was quite strong structure support. Then we have the level right here, and also we have the level right here. And what I like, by the way, about that level right here is that that level was not only the support, that level was first of all the support, and then after the breakout it turned into a very strong resistance and was nicely respected by the market again. So you can see that we have a lot of levels right here. And which level exactly do we select? First of all, I suggest to unite all these levels in one area. Here's our zone of supply, the resistance area. And of course, what is very important for us to consider is the lower boundary of that resistance. Yes, why lower boundary is important? Because it will be the first point from where the aggressive sellers, for example, will try to sell. So how we will apply that level? That level we will simply apply for break-evening our position, to making that risk-free. So once the price reaches that level, you will simply move your stop loss to your entry. Yes, and that is how we break even our trading position. But where will be our goal? Here, with my goal, I want to rely on strong structure. And as we discussed, our strong structure is based on that confluence level right here. Yes, this confluence zone will give us the perfect target because it is the strongest recent structure. Yes, so let's execute the risk to reward analysis. We already have our entry. Yes, our entry is based on the highest candle close of the broken structure. Our stop loss right here is lying below the high level. Yes, relying on our classic price action rules. And here will be our target. Yes, so here what kind of risk to reward we can get from this trade. And by the way, let's extend our stop a little bit so that we could make that little bit safer. So we will treat this trading setup with buy limit. Yes, we will buy the market once it reaches our entry level. Yes, then we will wait until this structure, yes, will be reached for the position break-evening. Yes, and then we will wait until our target is reached. In my view, it is a very nice example of the trend following trade. Chances will be high to make nice money right here because we are trading with the trend. So let's see how it's gonna go. Remember, by the way, if the price just reaches our break-even level without retesting the broken structure, we will cancel our trade. We call that the order cancellation rule, and never forget about that. Alright traders, I hope that right now you got how we actually treat the breakouts, how we select the entry, how we select the stop loss, how we select the target. So try to apply these rules in practice. You know, these ranges breakout are very classic, we see them on different financial instruments, so try to apply the rules that I gave you and just see how efficient these techniques are. For more education, for more tips, don't forget to check my ebook, the link in the description below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on weekend.